going up on there. So hard. I keep falling again. I just want to try it. Before I will make up my video. But it's so hard. Someone is slapping me because this is a slap tower. This is not just a tower. Oh no, no! No! I almost dead. I almost died. Oh! I almost died on there. I almost died on there, guys.
Pinod, kumalive si YouTuber ni si Julia.
Oh shit!
Kapag may YouTuber ni si Julia, pinod makakita tayo. Ano naman? Kasi,
I don't.
mayaman na siya kapag.
I hate that part. I hate that part. I keep falling. I keep falling in there. I hate that part. No! Why? Why? Can just someone give me admin commands, please?
Hindi ko na-expect yun na. Wait lang. Wala na.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Wait lang. I can do this. Bro, I can do this.
Ano lang.
I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Bro. Yes, thank you. I can do this, guys.
Yung mag-chess dyan, may kwan siya. Sabi na, may sumpang bilin. Yun nga na.
I'm sorry, guys. Their mouth is so big. That's why they are keeping their mouth open.
Oh, may YouTuber na. May YouTuber niya, makilala ko sa YouTuber. Katong ako diri. Pagbalik na ako dun, may YouTuber. Tinag ba?
Sorry, guys. You hear that? I just want to be a YouTuber because this is my dream. I learned this about Brooke and Riley. There is, Brooke and Riley is my biggest fan. I want to see them, but I cannot see them because I'm not friends with her. I'm just looking. Every video I see, I want to see them. But I cannot see them, Brooke and Riley. It's bad, but it's okay. I can do it. And I will do this for Brooke and Riley. Do this. I myself, no friend. It's hard. It's always hard. So it's always hard. I can hear them. And it's okay. Oh, oh.
Uy, sige lang. Hindi na binili mo maayahan na racket.
And you can see my age is 12 and I'm just high school. I'm live from Tulungatong Zone 5 with my family. And we are Bisaya or Ilonggo. It's okay. I want to. You can do your. I will have to say this to guys. If you don't want to school, just do your best to achieve your dreams. To make your family proud. I'm making this video to make my mother proud of me to achieve my dreams as a YouTuber. And please just, can you like and subscribe in my channel, please? I'm just, I keep falling, guys. And this is my video. Bye-bye. Because I have Really busy to do. Bye. See you on tomorrow. Bye.